Good day, everyone. I am Joshua Bidevera, and we are talking about furniture and pictures. Furniture and pictures are long term assets that a business or household uses for daily operations. Furniture. These are movable items that make a place functional and comfortable. Examples: chairs, tables, desks, sofas, and beds. Fixtures. These are items that are attached or fixed to a building and usually cannot be removed easily without causing damage. Examples: built-in cabinets, lighting system like the, the, the light, and ceiling fans, air conditioning units, and partitions. In accounting, both furniture and fixtures are considered non-current assets or property, plant, and equipment because they are used for more than 1 year in business operations. They are recorded as assets on the balance sheet. Their cost is gradually reduced through depreciation over the useful life. To remember simply, furniture are movable and the fixtures are attached or cannot be removed. If you will remove, it will be damaged. That's all. Thank you.